Whether you leave me or never say goodbye, the moon will hide in cloudy light and fade across the sky. I try to hold a petal falling in my hand, but the wind came before me and carried it from land. Longing is a season too long for me to name. It lingers in the evening and softly speaks your name. When the long rain comes, I let my heart run free down to the river, out to the sea. Tried so hard not to cry, but the rain borrowed my face. Again I was washed away, again without a trace. Then a strange day opened like a letter at my door, asking who I was and who I'd been before. The streets became a dreamland, the night was still and wide, and I walked beside a shadow that no longer felt like mine. When the long rain comes, I let my heart run free down to the river, out to the sea. If a new island rises where the lost ones sleep, maybe our scattered souls will find a shore to keep. Oh, the rain keeps singing on the roof above my head. Forget, forget. Then it sings again. On the night of the red moon, I cried when no one knew. A voice came like a candle and whispered, rain passes through. Some goodbyes never learn to die, some memories never sleep. They drift beneath the water where the heart is dark and deep.